So if you're planning to make money online as a freelancer, then this video is for you, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 freelancer skills that you should get into right now, because you can make a lot of money from them. So if you're here for the first time, my name is 𝐎𝐅𝐅𝐄𝐃 from Delft Digital, a digital marketing and business growth agency here in Lagos, Nigeria. We train, we educate, we help businesses and people just like you to make money online, right? And ensure that your businesses also thrives online. All right. So if you're here for the first time, like this video, subscribe to the page so that you get to see more videos like this in the future, because we've got tons and tons of content planned out for you guys. Okay. So without any more discussions, let's jump into action. Okay. So now here's the first one. A lot of businesses right now are migrating to the internet, right? I'm sure you know about this. Most of these businesses currently are on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're on LinkedIn, right? But at the same time, they are now realizing that, oh, I need to also have a website, right? And that's where a website designer comes in, right? Someone that develops a website. And the good thing is, to become a website developer, it's not as difficult as it used to be back in the day, right? Because back in the day, you need to know some like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, and some like a bunch of other things. But nowadays, you don't really need to know any of that. And that's because you've got platforms like WordPress, you've got tools like Elementor, Divi, and so many others that makes it a lot easier for you to develop unique and outstanding website, right? So if this is something you'd actually like to do, there's actually a video on our YouTube channel that you could watch that shows you how to design a website. Once you've acquired the skills of developing and designing websites, how do you get clients? There are different things and the different strategies that you could do. So one of the ways you could actually get clients is by going to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, creating accounts on those platforms and listing yourself on those platforms as someone that could render that service, right? So if you actually want to get started on that, there's a link down below for you to click on and create your account on Fiverr to get started on, making money from the platform. The next freelance skill that's actually in high demand is content creation. Writing articles, writing blog posts. This is a very high demand skill because a lot of businesses, once they've got their fancy websites designed and out there, they want to rank these websites, right? So there's something called SEO, and one of the best ways to rank your website on the internet, on search engine platforms, is by creating content for your website. So that's where a content creator comes in, or someone that writes articles, someone that writes blog posts, right? So if you're someone that likes writing, right, you have fun, you enjoy writing, then this could be for you. So you also need to master the skill of writing content and understanding how SEO works, so that it makes it easier for you to render this service. Because if you're offering this service to businesses and these businesses are not getting the value of your work, they may not really want to carry on working with you. So it's very, very important that you actually understand SEO, how it works, and also are able to provide high quality articles and blog posts for their website. So high demand skill number 3, graphic designing / video editing. Okay. So if you're like me, that owns a business, right? Or you work with businesses, you understand the need for graphic designers, okay? Or the need to have video editors, because there's always content going out there. Businesses thrive on pushing out content. If you want to make money for your business, you understand the need to push out content on social media, to push out content on YouTube, to push out content on your website, right? So you need people like graphic designers, you need people like video editors that are going to help you in designing, in creating, and refining the content that you're creating to push out on these platforms. So that's where you come in as a graphic designer or video editor. All right. To learn these things is very, very simple. Canva is quite easy to learn, but of course, if you actually want to get paid big bucks for graphic designing, you don't want to be using Canva. You want to use, of course, professional tools like your Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and stuff like that. Pick up these tools, go on YouTube, watch videos on how to use these platforms, learn and master these tools, and of course, reach out to businesses and promote yourself. This particular skill is in heavy demand right now, and I know because I work with a lot of businesses that need competent graphic designers and video editors. Okay, so like I said, learn how to do these things, reach out to businesses, and before you know it, you could be making big bucks on the internet. So now, high demand skill number 4, and this is voice recording. So as you can see me right now, I'm recording this video for you guys to listen, to watch, right? You also have people who create material. So it could be an ebook, or it could be a novel, or it could be some form of written material, right? And they want to convert this written material into an audio form, like an audiobook or, put it out on audio platforms, right? That's where someone like you comes in. You need to then convert that written form of content into an audio form of content. You convert those ebooks and those written content into audio form content, like audiobooks and stuff like that, right? Pretty much all you need is something like this, right? A microphone that's decent enough, that picks, of course, your voice clearly, and you could, start offering this service to businesses or people who actually require that service. Finally, high demand skill number 5, and this is social media account management. So it's kind of in the name, right? All it is you are managing that person or that business's social media account. And right now, trust me, there are a ton of people out there that are making big bucks from this by simply managing a business or a person's social media account, right? And it's actually not too difficult. All you need to do is understand the platform that you're going to be managing for them. If it's Instagram, if it's Facebook, if it's TikTok, if it's LinkedIn, right? Understand what that platform needs, right? How that platform operates, helping that person come up with content ideas, creating those content ideas, or even working with graphic designers to create those content ideas, pushing out those content ideas, managing the page, answering inquiries, answering questions, commenting, liking, engaging, and stuff like that, right? Managing that account and growing that account, right? So that is what a social media account manager does. They basically manage the social media accounts for a person, for a client, for a business, and grows it for that person. And there are a ton of tools out there that makes this so easy for you to do and offer it as a service to businesses or your clients. All right. I'm going to be leaving some links down below in the description for you to check out if this is what you're interested in. So these are the top freelance skills that are in high demand right now. And I know you must have found one that interested you. Okay. So if you did, let me know in the comment section below. Or if there's actually one that you're doing right now and you're seeing success from it, let me know in the comment section as well. And if there's one that you're doing and you're not really sure how to do it well, you're not really getting results, let me know, ask your questions down below and I'm going to answer you and help you out. And I can't wait to see your success stories. So if you're still watching this video, please like the video so that more people get to see this video and learn from it. Also subscribe to the channel as well so that you get to see the videos we've planned out for you guys. So that's going to be it for this video. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.